Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna open my second Winter 2020 FabFitFun box. That's right, I got two FabFitFun Winter 2020 boxes. You have to use a different email if you do that. I don't know if you have to use a different credit card, but I did. And I don't remember if I used a different address or not, but I do have multiple addresses that I can use. I don't know. I don't think you have to use a different address because of course you and your roommate could both have a FabFitFun box, right? Right. You might be wondering, why EP? Why did you need a second Winter 2020 box? Because I cannot control myself when it comes to unhide little marshmallows and I wanted a matching set more than anything. So I needed to have two unhide little marshmallows in silver. We have two boxes for that reason, but it's great because you guys get to watch a second unboxing, get to see what my least favorite choices, because I chose in every category, but I moved the one that I cared about the least into this box, except for the unhide little marshmallow because it's in my other box too. So obviously I cared about that one the most. I also have two other FabFitFun boxes that shipped separately, and I think they're add-ons, so we're gonna do that with this box as well. So let's start. Gorgeous packaging, said it last time, still mean it this time. Same magazine, same clue. If you missed us solving the secret clue for spring 2020, head over to the beginning of my other video. But you know, same everything else, except the items inside the box are gonna be different. Section 1, we already know what I selected. I selected the Unhide For Love Not Fur silver little marshmallow blanket. Because I already talked about this in my other video, I'm not going to open this, I'm not going to do anything. Please go watch my other video because that was also a blast and you can hear all about why I love this blanket so much that I had to get it twice. I just saw one of my picks and I'm so happy. Okay, calm yourself, we have to do this in order. Section number 2, I picked the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I really wanted to get this product because I love the Murad brand and I've never tried this specific one. It's a very pricey brand, but it was my least favorite in section 2 of everything that I was getting. So this is the one that went into this box. Still super happy that I got it. I still think this box is gonna be bomb.com. Does anybody still say that? No. But whatever, it's gonna be bomb.com, okay? Murad is cruelty-free, but their parent company is not. Basically, people do cruelty-free the way that their conscience will let them do it. If I'm trying to be cruelty-free, some people believe if you only buy the parent company's cruelty-free brands, you're showing them that that is the way we're trending. It convinces them that that's where they should invest their money, and future brands that they create or buy, they will want to be cruelty-free. Others believe if you're supporting this brand, you're supporting the parent and the parent is not cruelty-free. So do what you want to do with your own conscience. I do buy brands as long as the actual brand is cruelty-free, even if the parent company is not. That is a personal choice of my own, and I know everybody's choice is different, but I do like to mention that because I know it is important to some people. So this is a cruelty-free brand, but the parent company is not. For section 3, I didn't even love the choices in my first box, so I kind of just went with what would be my second best choice. 2 of the products were Dr. Brandt, so they're not even cruelty-free. I can't even consider them. Then I had either the mascara or the palette because I chose the headband in my other one. I went with the mascara. It's an Allure Beauty winner. I'm interested. I don't think every Allure Beauty winner is like knock it out of the park, but I do think the majority really are. I do think that they take their time in selecting, and I don't think they're just doing it, you know, arbitrarily. I really do think that many people try it over there at Allure and they pick their favorites, and I'm interested. I don't like the way mascara feels on lashes, so I am kind of a little bit weird, but this one has shea butter and it says arginine. And I do like those that are infused and help my lashes feel like aren't drying, help them feel moisturized and healthy. So I don't know exactly where I stand, but it's interesting to me. I'm intrigued, and it's also a Leaping Bunny certified brand. That means it's even better than cruelty-free. It's recognized worldwide, and it includes the entire supply chain being certified as cruelty-free. Number 4, I did get this in my other box as well, but I got it as a gift for my mother. She's probably watching this, but it's okay because she doesn't celebrate holidays, so I just get her gifts randomly. So this is, Mom, guess what? I got you a gift because when I talked about these Mukluk socks in the spoilers research, my mom was like, oh my gosh, I love those socks in the comments. And Bless you, Mom, for always watching me and always commenting. You are the best, but guess what? I look for your comments so I know what to buy you. So this is going to my mother. They are so soft and so warm, and my mom hates the cold weather more than anything. She lives like right in the middle of California, like central, everything. Central east to west, central north to south, and they actually have cold winters there. I don't get a cold winter down here in SoCal, but she gets a cold winter, so I know she will love these. Section 5, I selected the apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. I am just intrigued by this. That's why it was kind of in the end. Like the other item that I got, I definitely wanted to try. This one was like, I'd be interested in trying that. Maybe it'll be good. So that's why it's in this box. It's a pretty small size bottle. It's 1.6 ounces. I'm not sure how many uses I get out of this. It says non-aerosol. We love that. That's good for our ozone. Free of parabens, sulfate, silicones, alcohol, and animal friendly. So all kinds of great stuff here. Very, very happy about this. I kind of want to smell it though and see if it smells like apple cider vinegar. So, you know, it doesn't. It just smells like powder or like sweet baby powder. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Whoops. Just spilled that all over myself. It does have fragrance as its last ingredient. The first ingredient is tapioca starch, so that's what's going to be absorbing all the oil in my hair. Now we have the FabFitFun picks, and what do I not want in the picks? So in category 6, I could get this crocodile alligator wallet, I don't know, red wallet thing that we do not want. And then we could have the Lucky Stars. That is the one that I wanted. And then we could have the lip scrub. I got the lip scrub in my other box. So I would hope that I might get the Blemish Stars. And we got the Blemish Stars. I'm so happy. The universe loves me when I have 2 boxes, because I have never, since they started FabFitFun picks, I have never got the pick that I wanted. Not even once have I got the pick that I wanted out of all the possible options and picks. Until this moment. All you have to do is give FabFitFun more of your money. These have tea tree oil and calendula oil. So on top of just having the hydrocolloid patch, so hydrocolloid is like sucking stuff out of your skin. Basically, if you have a whitehead, that's when you put these on. These are gonna be shaped like little stars. And actually, let's open them. So, ooh, they smell like tea tree. Wow, that smells really good. Okay, so you have 2 sheets. I'm not gonna separate them because it looks like if I separate them, some of them might move. And you will put that right over your blemish. It's going to suck out the whitehead, literally, especially when it's like ready, like right when you want to pop it, that's when you want to put this on. So it's going to release that overnight. But on top of that has tea tree and calendula oil, and those are actually good oils, or I don't know, they say they are for acne, to treat acne as well. So it's almost like you're getting 2-in-1 with these. You're getting like a spot treatment and you're getting a hydrocolloid patch. There are 2 stars in here that are just like stuck in there. Oh, you can see them. Yeah. So we lost 2 men, but it's fine. It's fine. We're fine. So 2 stars in there. Put that back in there. I do get acne a lot. I started using a new product. It's very expensive. It's a tool. I started using it and I have not got 1 blemish since I started using it. I will have a review about that soon. It was sent to me in PR. It's pretty pricey, but you know, if these results continue, I would 1000% spend the money on it. So I will have a review on that soon. But if I do get any acne and we get to test these out, I will put it on my Instagram story so that you can see them in action. Section 7 had 2 options, scrunchies and a dry face brush. I already got the scrunchies in box 1. I'm not happy that I got the scrunchies in box 1 because I felt like I could use the brush for other things other than dry face stuff, but you know, I could also use it for dry face stuff. And then I saw Slayer Rose unbox hers, and she said it was super soft and just looks so cute in her hand that I was like, oh, why did I get the scrunchies? But guess what? I got this too. Second box loves EP. I don't know how. I really thought I was gonna get all the worst picks in both boxes because I always get the one that I don't want. Now, in this box, I got both of basically my #1 picks. So let's talk about this brush. Daily Concepts is a cruelty-free brand. They also partner with Lava Mae. Lava Mae is a nonprofit, and they help the homeless with showers and all of that like cleanliness and everything. So I really love that mission, and I love any brand that gives back. This is just like so cute. It's wood, so super sustainable. The brush is really soft. It's supposed to help with like your lymphatic system, like drainage. I don't really know how. I don't even dry brush my body, but I thought you could wash your like fruit with this. You could like do your pedicures, scrubbing your heels with this, and like putting that exfoliator stuff on there. If you got that petty in the box last time, you know what I'm saying? You could scrub your fruit with this if you rather scrub your fruit, which now I probably won't because I just put it on my face, but it could be like a fruit or vegetable brush in your kitchen. You could put shampoo on it and scrub your scalp and give yourself a scalp massage in the shower. I think I'm gonna try using it as a dry brush. If I have any significant like changes, I'll let you know. I do get sinus infections and sinus pain a lot. Maybe this will help. Who knows? So I think I'm gonna try it because that's what it's meant for. And I will keep you guys updated on this product for sure on my Instagram stories. The last section had blush, a cuticle or nail treatment, and then the liquid eyeliner. The only thing that I was like, please, 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 I don't want liquid eyeliner. I didn't get it in the last one. I didn't get it in this one either, but we did get a duplicate. So I'm gonna put this in my 5K giveaway. If you wanna see what this looks like, go check out that video. I'm pretty sure I swatch it. If I don't, I don't know why I don't, but it's a shimmery, like orangey blush. Definitely my style of blush actually. So hopefully it's over there, and if not, I don't know, I guess follow me on Instagram. Maybe I'll show it on Instagram too. I'm just shouting out my Instagram like crazy this time. Now let's just talk about the propaganda that comes in here. So we have some HelloFresh propaganda. That one comes in every single box. They must pay FabFitFun so much money. We also have HBO Max. You know, I feel like I need HBO Max. I don't have HBO yet, and I felt like there's something that I really want to see on HBO, but I don't remember what it is. We have $15 off. This is promised to someone because somebody did already email me or message me and say that they wanted this code, and I had already given it away from my other box. So I asked you guys to email last time. I'm doing it in the order that those emails were received. Then we have some Bright Sellers propaganda. So this one you scratch and then you see what credit you get. Bright Sellers, I think this is like a wine, yeah, it's a wine quiz. I've never done any of these things. Has anybody done them? I don't know. None of them have ever intrigued me enough. And then we get a really cute FabFitFun sticker. So normally this box is all decked out in color, and they worked with artists to use less ink in decorating those boxes. So I love that. I love that so much. But it looks like they gave us the sticker in place of that this time. And I think this is really cool to keep in a little book, and then you can collect them all and like every box that you ever got. I don't know, maybe even rate it under the sticker. I feel like that would be really fun. I don't know why. Next we got a Kind Thins bar. So this is also technically propaganda, but it's just like a sample version of propaganda where a company pays money so that they can get their sample in there so that all of us can get this and then want more. But I have heard really good things about Kind bars and their ingredients. Like the first ingredient is always really good. So this ingredient is almond. Then it says tapioca syrup. That's still pretty much sugar if you ask me. Then sugar. So I don't know. It's just interesting because they talk trash about the Cliff bars on their commercials where they're like, Cliff bars first ingredient is basically sugar. I'm like, dude, your third ingredient is sugar, okay? So you're not really getting rid of sugar. You're just putting almonds in the front so I can feel a little bit better about myself. They're still delicious. Last time I ate it like within 10 minutes of ending filming my live. I'm not gonna lie, I do eat sugar. It's just, I hate when they like are calling out another company and literally they're not really doing that much different, but whatever. So now let's open the two boxes that ship separately, I believe from the sale. I don't know what they're from, honestly, but they say FabFitFun, so I figured I would add them into this video. This was an item from a sale. So it is the Teami Superfood Cleanser, and I am a Teami affiliate, but sometimes I can get things a little bit cheaper in FabFitFun than using my own affiliate link. So right now, from December 2nd to December 23rd, you can get 30% off of any order of $44 or more on their website. It is an affiliate link or code. So the code is proof30. I do get commission for referring you, but it does give you 30% off of their site if you spend $44, which is pretty good. I have really been impressed with Teami. Obviously, I keep buying more. I became an affiliate because I really love the brand, not the other way around. I don't talk about the brands because I became an affiliate. I become an affiliate because I'm already talking about the brand so much. If you don't want to use my affiliate link, that's totally fine. You could just go to teami.com and order it, but you will not get that 30% off. They sometimes have really great deals on their website though. But right now, their before Christmas sale that includes affiliates is 30% off $44, which is great. I think that's a steal. So I'm really excited to try this. Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser is my favorite cleanser, but Teami is also a very natural brand. They like everything's cruelty-free. They have the best ingredients and all that good stuff. This is not glass, this is plastic. They're Leaping Bunny certified, and this is real green. So I wonder if there is, let's look over here and see if they have any color added. It has aloe juice as its first ingredient. That's my favorite first ingredient for any cleanser. It does not look like they have colors in here. I think this is just the color from the matcha. It has matcha in it too. So not only does it have seaweed, it also has sea kelp. It has Irish moss. Oh my gosh, I love that ingredient as well. That's really, really good if you have acne scarring like I do or hyperpigmentation. Irish moss. Look it up, trust me. And then it has turmeric root powder, carrot seed oil, and it also has salicylic acid. It says it's made with 76.6% organic ingredients. All their stuff is natural, vegan, non-GMO, Leaping Bunny certified, like all the things that I normally look for in skincare. Plus it's tea infused, and your girl loves caffeine in her skincare. So this is why I love Teami. This is why I became an affiliate for them. I feel like I've been talking a lot about that. Let's move on to our last box. So this guy, we don't know what he is either, but it says from FabFitFun. So, you know, probably shouldn't cut it like right in the center. That shouldn't be where you start. We all know that I don't know how to use scissors. We cannot be trusted with scissors on this channel, but we're an adult, so we get them anyway. Last little piece up here. Let's do it this way. Probably shouldn't point them at myself, right? I feel like somebody should just send me a list of all the things I do wrong with scissors. This is my little Christmas set I got. So this is from Paper Source. It comes with 2 rolls and ribbon and bags and thank you cards and literally like everything that you need. It was a really good deal. I don't remember how much it was, but I was like, you know, I could definitely use some more Christmas wrapping paper. And that's how we got this in our box. Paper Source is like so the best quality too. So I really do trust that this is gonna be all good quality stuff. I can definitely get things probably cheaper than this or the same price as this on like Amazon or Walmart or other websites like that, but it won't be this quality. That's one of the things I love about the FabFitFun sales. The quality I get for the price, it's always a good value. So even if I can get things cheaper, you can get anything cheaper. You can go to the dollar store and get like thank you cards. This way I'm getting quality for a good price. And I do love that. It's one of the best perks of FabFitFun membership. Actually, a lot of boxes do it, and it's a really good perk for all of the boxes that do it. All right, guys, that was box number 2. A couple extra items that I just probably talked about way too long. Out of everything I unboxed, excluding the unhide little marshmallow and the Muck Lux, because we already unboxed that in box 1, what was your favorite thing I unboxed this time? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!